Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit your top-up in the 𝗀𝗏𝗁 loading machine system. First, let's open our machine admin by texting your machine number using this code Disable Kiosk Mode. Then click Yes to open the machine admin. Now click the three dot buttons to open the menu. You should click the Eload products to locate all the networks offered by the machine. Now you can choose what network you want to set manually. If you want to set the regular load, just click the regular load configurator button above. Now, you may edit your top-up amount here. 1 to 5 pesos means the top-up amount will be 3, same with the 10 to 49 rate. Then the top-up amount for range 50 to 99 will be 5, and so forth and so on. If you want to change the top-up value, just change here and then click the update. If you also want to set the promo load, just click the promo, then set the keyword or the price of it. You can add or change the description of this promo, and always remember to click the Update Promo button to take effect the settings on the machine. To go back to kiosk mode, just click the menu button again in the upper right corner, then click the kiosk mode button. Now, you can use the settings you set in the machine admin. Thanks for watching and kindly follow our channel for more 𝗀𝗏𝗁 loading video tutorials.